It's Brian back with a quick look at Matic. All right, it's making it up past those first price targets we had. All right, so we're gonna have to look at some new price targets here. It took out the ones we had. Right now it's up at 0.7898. Has a high today of almost 81 cents, 0.8098. All right, here's the crypto bubbles for the day. This is the top 100. All right, let's take a look and see where Matic is. Polygon. There we go. Number 13. Volume 562 million. What does that come in at? Let's look here. You gotta be kidding me. I thought, it's like, geez, really just didn't pull it up with that. Number 13. Volume's up 42.22%, so pretty good rise in volume there. Market cap is up 7.65 right now, so 7.3 billion. Wow, that's crazy. I got in this thing at I think 3 cents, 2.5 cents, something like that. It was low. That was right before the last bull run there, right back. Well, let's take a look here real quick. Right down here was at 2.5. Yeah, somewhere right around there, right in there somewhere, 2.5, 3 cents. So, yeah, and then this thing ended up running up to almost, what was, a little over $3. It's hard to get it right on the dot on 272. So, yeah, it did a pretty nice run there. That's for sure. All right, didn't come obviously even near as low this bear market, but ended up coming down. Let's see here, what did it come down to? Not very low at all, really. 31 cents. So feel very lucky if you got back in right there. 32 cents. I don't believe for 1 second it's going to go down past that. Even on the weekly here, let's take a look at this thing. This chart here doesn't even go back. Does this one? Yeah, this one goes back to last bull run right there. But yeah, 32 cents. It's not going to go any lower than that. I don't see that happening. This thing ended up, how big did it get a retrace very much here? Almost a 50% here. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, almost a 50% retracement, but this thing's just breaking out again. All right, let's get back to this chart here. Let's take a look at these RSIs. See where this thing could be going. All right, on the weekly, it's at a 100 and a 91. Getting a little overextended here, but the monthly, 32 and a 14. All right, there you go. That monthly RSI is just turned up, so we're going to have to go up these higher price levels here because these first ones we got through. The 12-hour RSI is at an 87 and a 75. The 8-hour is at a 89 and a 70, and you can see that right there was the last price target we had at 70, roughly 75 cents. All right, and the 4-hour RSI is at a 92 and a 93. Flipping a little bearish there, rolling over a little bit. All right, so let's take a look here. All right, we're going to go out in the daily. That first bib we had right here. All right, and that gave us our price levels here to keep an eye on. Now you can see we hit that 786. We're just coming up against that thing now. All right, let's get this right on the bottom. There we go. All right, so if we get through that point, that 0.80, call it 81 cents. All right, if we get through that 81, then we're going to have to move this thing up higher. I believe we're going to have to anyway, but we're probably going to more than likely end up running off of, let's go back out in that weekly, running off this high up here. Looking at these retracement levels back up over $1.15, I would think it's heading up there, especially with the monthly RSI. That monthly just turning up, okay, that you're going to probably get a pretty decent run. All right, the last time the monthly turned up was this run right here from 33 cents up to $1.55. Okay, That was right here, and it started out in the middle. It started out up here at 34. All right, so that's the run you got out of that one. This one is starting out on the bottom. All right, I believe $1.15 to $1.24 is where this thing's coming within the, who knows how long it would take to play out here, a month, 2 months. It's hard to say. Could happen in a week, really. You never know. There's coins that fly up, 100% in a week. So we'll just have to see how this plays out. But we broke through them first price areas. All right, so if we get to 81, let's get this back on here where we want it. First off, let's take that off there because we were shooting right off of here. Okay, so if we get through 81 cents, all right, 81 cents, then we get through the up here at 90. Then our next target's up at $1.14. That would be the 1.618 fib level. All right, so things are looking good. Looks like Matic's getting ready to roll again. You're getting a little bit of high RSIs there, that daily up at a 194. So it could have a little bit of a pullback here. The 12-hour 87 and 75, that still has some push up here. So it could come back up to this 89-cent area and then cool off a little bit. It's hard to say, but I believe within the next day or so, this thing's going to start running again. Just today, like we showed, it's up 6.63%. And that's that wick up here to just about 81 cents. All right, so we're just about through these fib levels, guys. Once we get through these, then we'll start looking at higher prices. But right now, this thing looks great. All right, please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll be back with you guys soon. Have a great night, guys.